Hi, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours, and I'm here with my sons Quinn and McGregor, and we're doing a multiplication activity called How Long, How Many, and it is an area model for multiplication. All you need for this activity are some Cuisenaire rods, and you need some centimeter grid paper cut into squares that are 10 by 10, so 100 units in there, and you need a die. And how you play this activity is each person has their own 10 by 10 grid. And they roll the die the first time, and that tells how long. That tells how long of the Cuisenaire rod they pick up. For instance, if they get a 6, they pick up the
black.
That one, right? And then they roll the die again, and it tells them how many of this green rod to pick up. The idea is that you're trying to fill in this whole space with rectangles made of the Cuisenaire rods. So if you get a green, if you roll a 6 and then you get a 2 on your next roll, you'll pick up 2 green Cuisenaire rods and shape them into a rectangle on your board, right, Quinn?
Yep.
Now, you might start to run out of Cuisenaire rods, like McGregor's already running out of the green ones. So McGregor, what could you do if you don't want to run out of the Cuisenaire rods?
Do 2 3s, which I think are...
You're thinking about partial products, but let's make it even more simple than that. If you're starting to run out of these green ones, all you have to do is trace around where you had them. So this was 4 greens by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you trace around it just like that. That's the amount of space. That's the area.
By 6 greens.
It was 6, but you were running out. Okay, I got you. So we'll add on 2 more rows, okay? And we would write 6 groups of 6 right in that space. And we could even color it in if we wanted to. Lightly, like that, so we can see 6 groups of 6. This is an area model for multiplication, and then we'd be able to remove those green ones right off our grid, and we'd be able to use them again in a minute if we rolled a 6 again, right? And we'd have a record of what we rolled. I hope that you're having a fun time building math positive mindsets with your kids, and I hope you'll give How Long, How Many a chance. Thanks.